What's up, guys? This week I want to talk about a company called Dominion who has been filing a lot of lawsuits of late. Dominion is the company that has the voting machines where there were widespread allegations from the Trump administration and their lawyers that Dominion was engaging in fraud and was actively trying to rig this election using these voting machines. Most recently, Dominion has filed a lawsuit against a lawyer by the name of Sydney Powell. Sydney Powell's been on TV a lot on behalf of Trump and his administration, alleging fraud, specifically with these voting machines. In fact, she's even said that they're in bed with Hugo Chavez and that it's a company that was created outside of the country to rig this election against Mr. Trump. The reason why this lawsuit Dominion has filed for defamation is so telling is that when you get into the discovery process of any lawsuit, both sides have to exchange information. So what Dominion is saying is that we are very, very confident that we did everything right. There was no fraud. In fact, we'll show you all of our documents. You'll have access to our machines so that we can prove that what Ms. Powell was saying is false. And that's essentially what you have to show in any defamation or slander case, is that there was a statement of fact made by this other person that was false, that harmed their business. So there are 4 elements that a plaintiff has to prove in a slander case or defamation case. The first is a false statement purporting to be fact. The second is publication or communication of that statement to a third person. The third is fault amounting to at least negligence. And lastly, damages. Again, we've already addressed element number 1. The second element is publication or communication. So she was going on national TV, on Twitter, espousing all of these things. So I think that meets element number 2. Element number 3, fault amounting to at least negligence. I would say it's even more than negligence. It's recklessness because she didn't have anything to back up her claims. And then lastly, damages. Their brand, their company has been effectively destroyed. The biggest part and biggest key to having one of these types of companies is it has to be trusted widely by both sides. And so now there's all this commentary about, is Dominion a fraudulent company? Are they in bed with Hugo Chavez? I don't see how they can recover from this. And so this is why they have sued her for $1.3 billion with a B. They're trying to bankrupt her and send a message to others who go out and do this that you can't get away with this. And frankly, I think once Donald Trump leaves office, it's possible that he may be next, and there may be some other folks who get sued as well.